Welcome back. While the basic if-else statement handles binary decisions, real-world logic often involves multiple possible outcomes, such as assigning a letter grade based on a score. The if-elif-else ladder, or multi-way branching, may handle these scenarios. 1. The elif keyword. The elif statement is short for else if. It allows you to check a new condition only if the previous if or elif conditions are false. You can have any number of elif statements between the initial if and the final, optional else. 2. Flow and exclusivity. The conditions in the latter are checked strictly from top to bottom. As soon as a condition is found to be true, its corresponding block is executed, and the entire rest of the ladder is skipped. Only one block will ever execute. Because the first condition was true, the program immediately exits the entire conditional structure, ignoring the later, technically true, elif condition. 3. The final else. The else clause, placed at the end, is optional but highly recommended. It acts as the final catch-all, executing only if all previous if and elif conditions failed to be true. To summarize, the if-elif-else ladder may be for sequential decision-making. Order matters, as the program only executes the first true condition it encounters and then skips the rest. Now that we know how to handle multiple conditions, our next lecture 0905, Handle 0.